From the KBIA Newsroom in Columbia, I'm Jana Rose-Schleiss. Thursday, the Missouri House passed its version of the state budget for the upcoming fiscal year. Within the $50 billion operating budget is a new way of funding higher education. From Jefferson City, Sarah Kellogg reports that received pushback, with many saying it would devastate some schools.
House members voted 83 to 66 to pass the bill funding higher education. That's only one above the needed number to pass legislation in the House. While the bill doesn't change the total amount allocated to Missouri's colleges and universities compared to last year, it does alter how much each school gets, largely depending on enrollment. Democratic Representative Kim Smith said this model would result in a 19.7% reduction of funding for St. Louis Community College. That's over $9 million.
While we were told that this does not change the total amount, this reduction cooks our schools.
That budget bill now goes to the Missouri Senate, where it faces criticism. I'm Sarah Kellogg.
And in local news, Ashland City Administrator Kyle Mitchell has resigned after 4 years on the job. The Columbia Missourian reports his final day will be May 22nd. Mitchell and Ashland City officials were not sharing more information with the public at this time. The board renewed Mitchell's position for a 5-year contract with the City of Ashland in January 2025. The MU Research Reactor has become the sole domestic producer of the gadolinium-153 isotope. KBIA's Jono Edmondson reports how this radioisotope is essential to the medical field.
GD-153 is an isotope used in calibration devices for SPECT scanners. They are used in over 500,000 procedures a day, and they produce 3D images for doctors to make accurate diagnoses for their patients. MER Communications Director Uriah Orland says that GD-153 will be beneficial for anyone who needs a SPECT scan.
Because having a reliable source of gadolinium for these calibration devices means that those images are going to be better, which means the doctors can interpret the results better, and it will have an impact on patient care.
GD-153 was only produced in Russia up until 2023. Because of the shortage, the Department of Energy reached out to the University of Missouri's Research Reactor to see if they could begin production. MER has now been producing and refining the isotope for the past couple of years. I'm Jono Edmondson, KBIA News.
Columbia City leaders are making a push to get more people enrolled in a community solar program that allows residents to access solar power from the Bernadette Solar Field. The Columbia Missourian reports community solar allows a resident to reserve a 1.5 kilowatt block of solar panels, and their utilities account will be credited for the power that those panels produce. Since the program was first introduced in 2023, subscriptions have been slow. Early this year, only 60 residents were participating. I'm Jana Rose-Schleiss, KBIA News, Columbia.